In this video, I will show you how you can remove the SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now after you do that, then just grab your Samsung phone and look at the bottom of your phone. Now over here you will find the SIM card tray hole. Now be careful because over here you will find the primary microphone of your Samsung phone. Just ensure that you insert the SIM card ejection tool into the SIM card tray hole, which is located on the SIM card tray cutout on your phone. Now after you insert the SIM card ejection tool, now just press it gently until the SIM card tray pops out from the frame. Now just use your fingers and extract the SIM card tray from the frame of your phone. And after you do that, you will find your SIM card inserted into the SIM card tray. Now removing your first SIM card is very simple. Just tilt the SIM card tray and the first SIM card will pop out from the SIM card tray. But for the second SIM card, you will need to press gently on this side, just like that, and the other SIM card will pop out from the other side. Now after you have removed the SIM card from the SIM card tray, now you can insert the SIM card tray back in your phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.